Yo chat, Jwebski here. This is the demo of the GMBOT, the product, the very first product we've built at RICHAD. So I'll tell you a little bit more about it. You can also visit our website richad.xyz for more info about the project, about the token, the roadmap. So yeah, here we go, GMBOT. So first of all, you probably spotted that some influencers, brands, marketing agencies keep using the same, image for GM posts or any regular posts they are making. And this might be, not very unique, sometimes maybe boring. So what we brought up here is you can create, for example, GM posts that vary every day. So take a look at this GM post from yesterday on RICHAD's main X account. The GMBOT is already implemented for RICHAD, so you can check this out. So take a look at this, and today's post, it's completely different, like different environment, fresh imagery, something that vary and stand out, from the rest. And every day, every time, you get something new. Of course, you can add different parameters to this, so it may vary even more. Or if you would like, to keep your PFP the same, and for example, change the background, it's also doable with the GMBOT. So let me tell you and show you how it exactly works, but you get the basic concept over here. So first of all, you manage the whole process in a spreadsheet, which gives you a solid overview of what you are getting, what you are generating. So you can control the process over here. The best part in the whole process and the product, you only care for the quality of the things you are going to publish on your social media channels. So let me show you how the process looks. So yeah, basically you have to you generate the prompts and the images and the content that is being published. You can schedule it, so it's being done on autopilot. So you keep getting new, fresh things as often as you define and want. But let's just run this process to show you how it's being done. So you can see that new row was added to the spreadsheet. Right now there is like a 60 seconds delay. So Midjourney has to generate the images based on the prompt we've defined previously, and also the prompt can be defined in the spreadsheet, so you can manipulate it and test it, implement it, change things to make them even more interesting. So as you can see now, the images are generated. So I got a bunch of new images just to accept the quality and select the good ones that I like. So of course AI sometimes messes up with the images. So there are some empty comic bubbles, some cut hands, or some strange things, but some are really good, and this one we like and this one we want to use. So what happens next is my job here is just to select images I want to use and publish. So in order to do that, I just need to put which one I like, and what happens next is the automation is applying a watermark on the image, so I don't have to do it manually. So it adds the watermark to the selected images and just gives me the URL of the image, so I can use it for publishing. So let's do it in a bit. So after I select images, they are being sent into buffer to a queue. So as you can see, I already have some scheduled posts with the content, with the image. I can also double check here, add some mentions on Twitter, on X, just to mention someone, modify hashtags, whatever. So this is like another step of securing the quality of the things that you publish, securing the quality of the content. You can also move them around if you want to switch some posts. So it's up to you. Yeah. So about publishing, what I want, let me show you. Let's say this one is fine, and this one. So let's from this row, I'll select number 2 and 4. Yep, and it's going on. So we'll probably see in a bit, generated images with the watermark, with the RICHAD logo, and posts will be added into buffer. So this is how it works. So basically, the process is really seamless and streamlines the process of publishing high quality content on social media on different channels, because so these are generated, and as you can see, they were added to the bottom of the queue, so they are ready to use with the watermark. And the sweet thing about this is that you can connect your brand accounts on variety of marketing channels and do the same thing, like publish content to these channels as well. And your only job is to select what you like, and that's it. So from time to time, just to secure, the queue is filled out with the right posts you want to publish. That's all you need to do for this task. So it's really automated and efficient in terms of time. So you can keep publishing high quality content with the minimum effort and focus on other things, on developing your brand, product, whatever. So this is one of the, I'd say, use cases for GMBOT. But imagine like publishing an NFT collection, like each day new item from the collection presented, like something like, I don't know, let's say you got 5,000 apes you want to show, and each day you run ape of the day, right? So you keep publishing different content, scheduled, on schedule, automatically, without any effort or hustle, and that's it. So there are many options how you can use it. So let's select maybe a few more. This one is nice, and the last one, so 1 and 4. Let's add it to the queue, and that's it. And this is how it works. So basically, guys, the GMBOT, the first product from RICHAD, is available now. I will be opening a few spots just to start with a few brands or products or influencers and develop the process, see how it is, and how to price it the right way. So I think there will be like a few spots opening soon. First come, first serve. Everything will be on the website, so go ahead, check this out. Of course, I will announce when it's open for submission. And the best part about it is the license fee on a monthly basis will both require Solana tokens and RICHAD tokens. And part of the RICHAD tokens, acquired through this GMBOT, will be burned, and some part of them will also, fill in the project wallet to cover some expenses, marketing, team hiring, bots, all the stuff we need to develop the project. So this is the plan, and that's it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, or join us on Telegram group. We are there all the time. So see you there, and I hope you like the product. Let me know what you think about it, and see you on socials and TG, I guess. Take care, chats. Stay chat, be RICHAD.